Hello crafters, today I'm very excited because I'm going to be sharing with you a haul with stuff I got from Action. So I'm going to be sharing with you these amazing markers I got, and I'm going to be trying them out with you for the first time, and I'm also going to be showing you the craft supplies I got. So Action is a chain of discount shops, and they've amazing craft sections. And they definitely have shops in the Netherlands and in France, and I'll link their website down below to see if it's available in your country. And please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, especially the subscribe part. I'm really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the summer. So share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Going to start off with the craft supplies, and then I'm going to go to the markers. I'll open them and we will test them out. So the first thing I got was this little deer die, and I have all the prices here on this big long receipt, but I just have to kind of try find it. I think this deer was he like €1.99? I think it was €2, and all these prices are in euros because that's where I was, like, obviously shopping in France. So this deer was €2, which for a die is like, it's not like amazing, but it's like still really good, because most dies of this size from like Crafts can be like €3 or something. Anyway, this deer, I have lots of ideas for him for Christmas cards, which is coming up soon, so definitely subscribe because I am so excited to do my Christmas card series this year. I have so many amazing products to use. So this is all the details on him. He's from Dutch Crafts. Maybe it's their brand, I'm not even sure, because I actually didn't see like any of the big brands in action, but like that's like, obviously you can't get those big brands at such cheap prices, so maybe they have their own brand, or maybe it's not their own brand, I don't know. Anyway, this deer, he's adorable, and I think he was €2. Next was this flower set, and they actually had a lot of these flower sets, and this was $1.49 I think, which is really good. So they had these ones here, and these ones had the die to actually cut out the flowers, but I thought I had flowers really similar to those in my collection already, and so I got this one. And I was really looking for a cluster of flowers in like when I went shopping, so this is the one I actually chose, and I think it'd be cool to even like stamp on two parts of a card, and it would just look good if you kind of altered it a bit. So yeah, and obviously you have these flowers, so you can kind of add to that if you want, and you have the leaves. You also have this swirl die, which is lovely. I don't know if I'll really use it, but maybe for mixed media, that's kind of what I'd use it more for, but I don't really do a lot of mixed media, so we'll see. So yeah, I got this thing, and this is like a really good price, $1.50. I mean, you pay at least like €7 to get it from any other brand, but I got it for $1.50. Next, a bit boring, but I got these poly bags for greeting cards. They're a bit big for my A6 envelopes and things, but I can always just like fold it over, or else it's just fine. I sell my cards, and I'm always on the lookout for these cheap little poly bags, and they were 89 cents each. You cannot beat that. Literally, I pay like €3-4 for them sometimes, so I got those. Next, I got these little Lisa crochet hook sets. These were €2, which is really good. So you get 3, 3.5, 4, 6, 8, and 10 millimeters, and they're 15 centimeters long. And actually, I was on the lookout for crochets because I broke a crochet the last time when I was crocheting. So you know, it's always good to have more, and these will not break because they're like made out of metal. Worst that can happen is bending, but I don't know, they seem to be good enough, so I got those, and I'll definitely use them for something. Next, I got this fabric set, and they had lots of different nice fabrics, but this was actually the one I took. This was €1.92, and it's coming up very red, but it's actually pink. So you get these patterns here, and I'm always looking for cute little fabrics. You can make lavender bags and stuff. Actually, we got some lavender, so I might make lavender bags with these. And yeah, it's 50 by 50 centimeters, 100% polyester, and I'm sure I'll use it for something. Next, this was a bit of an impulse purchase, but I mean, look, this was 99 cents. Actually, that is really, really good. So you'd pay like a tenner for this. any other place. So they had this little selection of these stamps with their ink pads. So you have all these. I chose the hedgehogs in the end. I kind of really like hedgehogs, and they're layering stamps, and you get 3 ink pads with them. I don't think I have these kind of ink pads. No, I don't have any of these ink pads. Well, I have the black, but apart from that, not really. So I'll definitely use them, and I think it'd be cool to make some little cute hedgehogs, and also it would make a beautiful gift, can you imagine? And it kind of has a higher perceived value than, you know, like 91 whatever price I paid for it. Not even sure. Okay, next I got these little canvases, and the reason I got them was because they were quite cheap. So they're just like 20 by 20, and you get 3 of them. They're not really that thick, so you know, they're not like the typical canvases, they're more like canvas boards. These were $1.45, which is a really good price, and again, I really want to try to do some bit more mixed media in my life, so hopefully that'll give me a chance to do it. Next, I have these markers. This was €7 and this was €1. Okay, that is the cheapest markers I've ever seen in my life. Pro markers are like €3 each. Even the Sistrona Grana markers are like they're like $1.90, $1.70 each or something like that. And these ones are quite expensive. And the Tiger Twin markers are kind of expensive. They're on, I think they're like €2 for 3, which I'm not complaining, that's very good. But these are the cheapest I've ever seen in my life. So these are everything you need to know about the markers. I got one little set with the greys, because I'm always using greys for colouring and stuff. And the reason I got these markers was, number one, they were cheap, and I really want to kind of experiment more with my markers, but I'm almost like afraid to experiment with my markers just because they're so expensive and I don't waste them. So that's why I really got these, to kind of experiment with them. This is a 24 set of markers, and it was €7, which is obviously very good for markers. That's like 30 cents each. I just did my calculator right now. I'm not that good at maths. That's 30 cents per marker, which is amazing, and these are 33 cents per marker. If you find that anywhere else at a cheaper price, or anywhere else even at that price, you call me, because I will obviously get them. These are all the colours you get. I don't think they really blend together very well, but I'm not complaining. So, and it also comes in this obviously really good storage box, something I've actually never got before. So, I'm very happy with that. So, now we're going to try them out. Look at them. Look. Oh my god, they're actually amazing. Something else. That's actually amazing. And they had more selections of the 3s. And they had, I think, maybe like 3 selections of these 24 markers. But these are the ones I got. So, now we're going to have a little bit of fun. I'm going to try out my little markers. So this is the markers, twin markers, broad. And the brand is Deco Time. That's, never heard of them before, but that's beside the point. Oh my god, okay. Ooh. So this is the marker, and it doesn't go on the end, which is unfortunate. I really love when it does that, but look. So I'm just going to try to do a bit of blending. Oh my god, they kind of stink, but look. And ink comes out of them, so that's a bonus. I think it's too dark to like really know if it's going to blend or not. So yeah, but apart from that, they seem really good. I might try this and this, even though they're like 2 different things I think I'll definitely have to swatch them out, because I'm seeing all kinds of different representations of it everywhere, of the colour, so I'm definitely going to have to swatch these out. But I mean, that's not a problem for me. I actually really enjoy swatching things out. Tell me down below if you like swatching things out, because I definitely like it. And this might just about blend, so I'm just going to... That blends quite well, I have to say. So you can see the pink blends very well, and obviously there's going to be some that blend well, so I'm just going to have to kind of experiment with them. I will be doing a review on these in about maybe a month or like 6 months, God only knows with me. So look out for that, and again subscribe for that. But yeah, that's really it. These are really good markers. I say they're obviously not the best, but they're like a 30-cent marker. You can't beat that. Anyway, I had lots of fun in action. I had lots of fun with you today. Can't wait to use everything. Tell me down below what you want me to use first or second or third. And I cannot wait to get all that done for you. I am obviously going to be very busy with school and everything, but I'm also going to try and do as much as I can on this channel. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!